Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to actually recover any WhatsApp deleted message. So we're going to be using an application known as AutoRTM. This app actually recovers any deleted message and stores it in your system. So when the user that sent the message deletes it, you'll be able to read it and the deleted message assigned to it. So when we're going to download it, we'll go to Play Store. Search for Auto RDM. So we're taking this one, the first one, enter there and click install. Alright, so wait for the download and installation. Alright, so once installed, we click on open, go forward, go forward, go forward and select the application from the list. So I'm going to be choosing WhatsApp. Go forward and we click allow the access. Allow. Alright, go forward and here we can see no messages yet. So we go back and we go to the other account where we install, where we're going to be sending the WhatsApp message. So the app I use to clone my WhatsApp application is known as Parlospace. You can actually find it in Play Store. So enter there, choose WhatsApp, and here is the chat I started. So you just enter there and write good morning. So the message has been sent. So what I'm going to do now is to delete it. Alright, the message has been deleted. Now head on to the other WhatsApp chat and you can see here the message has been deleted. So go back and come in this application here, go to RTM and enter here, and we can see the message attached to it with the deleted message assigned to it also. So this is how you actually view deleted WhatsApp messages. Nevertheless, there is a method with the Android system. So that one is actually on the move and it is not actually up to date nowadays, especially with some phones that don't support the method. So the method consists of using the notification lock, which is here, to view the messages, and it's not actually effective on some other phones. So guys, I'm going to recommend you this app, AutoRTM. This app really does several things, not only by viewing WhatsApp deleted messages, but you can use it as a cleaner of your storage, like to clean storage files and to save statuses. So here is it. We've come to the end of this tutorial, and I hope I'm going to see you soon.